So my question is this, my friend. Do you need some support in your real estate business during these hard times? Hey, I'm Juan Pablo from 100% Finance, and during the past 10 years, in lieu of the past recession, I was able to acquire, I think, up to 72 rental units in total. And during my first 4 years of investing, I was able to obtain 30 rental units by 30 years old, to the point where I was able to acquire enough properties, quit my day job by 30, and be able to document and systematize the same process so that a newbie investor can do the same thing. We're going to be covering the following: how I became a financially free, independent real estate investor after the 2008 crash, what you should be doing right now as a real estate investor, and last, what is my favorite type of investment and how I got started. No money, no credit. Want in? Well, just click on the link that's included in this video, and I'll see you there.